Hello, this is Professor John Bordeau, and we are installing side dots right now. And so here we have all our holes drilled, and what we're going to do is we're going to put some super glue in, and we're going to stand that fret dot material in there, and then we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to cut it off with some fret nippers. All right, so we'll cut it off with these fret nippers, and we'll do one at a time and march right on down the line. And so I'm just going to move this to here. And so all I'm going to do is take some super glue, and I'm going to just drop one drop down in there. Now, it's a little hard to drop it in there. I use a little toothpick, right? And stick a toothpick down in there, and I'm going to put 2 drops in mine here because it kind of like, they're small holes and they seem to want to bubble like when you put the glue in there. Then I just press down really good, and you'll see it'll actually kind of push that glue out. And you can just hold it down there, make sure it's all the way to the bottom, and then just let it sit for a minute or 2. And then after about maybe 3 minutes, it takes about a minute for super glue. Then I'm going to come in here and just go right down to the fretboard with my Stumac fret nippers, and I'll just clip it off. And we'll come back later after we've done all of them, and we'll take a little razor blade and clean them up. And so we'll just kind of clean up any of the glue around it, scrape off the end of the fret dot material to make it shiny, and that's all we really need to do. You could take some like 400 grit sandpaper if you had to and kind of put a little polish on it. So this is the second step. The first step is laying out the dots, and drilling the pilot holes, and then the second part of it is actually gluing in our side dot material. Remember, our side dot material is in there, our side dots, so that when you look down as you're playing, you can see where your frets are at. So the front dots are for the other players in the band, but the side dots are for you, the guitarist. And I just make sure it's solid in there. You could do it twice. One thing is cut your fret dot material in half and go twice and put 2 in and let them dry, and then you could double the pace of your progress. So this is side dot material, and we're here with stem guitar at Kankakee Community College, and I'm Professor John Bordeau. Please check out all the other videos on electric guitar building on my John Bordeau YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a great day.